Hello everyone, this is Asli Sezen-Barrie from the WeatherX team. I'm here today to show you a science demonstration. And in our demonstration, we will try to observe how hot and cold air masses move. Instead of air, we will use water in this demonstration. This is because it's easier to see the movement in the water compared to the air. So as you see here, we'll have a bin 2/3 of the way full with water. And to be able to make visible hot and cold water, we'll use red food coloring for the hot water and blue food coloring for the cold water.
In my pre-prepared setup here, you see a clear bin standing on top of 4 styrofoam cups. The bin is 2/3 of the way full with room temperature water. Also, I have hot water, it's really hot, almost close to boiling, and blue ice. First, I pour the hot water into the styrofoam cup. As you will see, it's almost all the way full, or close to all the way full. And then I carefully slide this hot water under the bin. As soon as I do that, I use my red food coloring and I go all the way where the hot water touches the bin and put a few drops of the red food coloring. Let's observe what's happening with the red food coloring.
Let's pause here and think about the question of what did you observe about the motion of the red hot water?
Now it's time to add a few blue ice on the side of the bin. Since my blue ice cubes are so small, I'm gonna add a few of them. If you have really big ice cube, you can just add one. And now, let's observe what's happening to the blue food coloring.
Let's pause here and think of the question of what did you observe about the motion of the blue cold water? Why do you think the blue cold water goes down and red hot water goes up? Let's discuss.
As you see, right before the hot red water merges with the cold blue water, there's a boundary between them. And this boundary is similar to what we call an air front between a hot air mass and the cold air mass.